Now, if you observe, every entity will have something called as standalone financial statements. How are these standalone financial statements prepared? They are prepared using your accounting standards. They are prepared using accounting standards, and then financial statements are arrived at it. P&L, balance sheet, cash flow statements, fund flow statement, all that stuff. Okay. Now, when it comes to consolidated financial statements, they are actually not accounted. There is no accounting in consolidation. It is actually preparation, because you are combining two balance sheets. You are combining two P&L accounts. Okay. Only thing what you are doing is line by line you are adding each of the items in the balance sheet P&L. You are actually not accounting for it at all. You are only preparing the consolidated financial statements. Now, while consolidation is done for the purpose of shareholders of parent entity. Okay. Hereafter we will discuss only about Ind AS only. AS, that little intro is sufficient for you. Let's keep that aside. Now, shareholders of parent entity. Now, under Ind AS, the language used for holding and subsidiary companies is, parent company and child company. Okay. That means it's like a family tree. I first invested into a company. From this company, it further invested into some other company. From there, some other company got investment. Like that, our investments have spread across various companies. Okay. So it's more like a family tree. Hence the concept called parent-child